So I just finished day 2 of my insanity workout, and I'm celebrating with these. No, can you see it? Can you see it? But you see, it says smart. It says smart. That means it's very healthy. And I will only have my serving size. Oh well. I just wanted to say to the boy that lived downstairs from me, I apologize. It might sound like there is a herd of cattle having sex up here, or elephants dancing a Watusi, or any other number of things, but really what it is, it's my fat ass trying to work out. And because the house that we live in is borderline ghetto, I don't think it really have anything that is going to separate like the floor of my room from the roof of your house. I find this one beam on the ground that feels solid, and it don't creak when I walk on it, and it don't have any type of hole, because you know the house custom to have like a pothole in the floor and so. And I try to work out on the one beam as much as I can, because I hope that is minimizing the noise. I suspect, however, the one beam might be in your bedroom, and if your bedroom is up like my bedroom, then it is right over your study desk. So it could be unfortunate that you're trying to study and that is happening. But I try to do my workout at a time when I don't think you should be sleeping, especially because I hear you up at 3 o'clock in the morning making up all type of noise. So I assume you keep the same hours as me. So I feel what you should do is use this time for you to do your workout as well, and then we can be workout partners, and then I don't have to feel bad. I try to land as softly as possible, but when it is that you're heaving 200 and some odd pounds into the air, it is rather difficult to land soft. But I do try. And yeah, so insanity day 2. I apologize to the young man. Actually, it's what, day 3? Are day 1 of the fittest? Yeah, day 3. If you say I got at the day of tomorrow, because my body hurt me. Like my back and my side, every part of my body does hurt me. Like I'm a grinder at me. I mean, I really know I'm a grinder for do this. It's not an area that get much use otherwise. Anyway, smart food. Smart.